here is how to refund games on Steam. Maybe you want to refund a game you gifted to a friend, maybe you want to refund a DLC you gifted to a friend. I will show you how to do that live in this tutorial. So I have here, I'm in my cart and I want to gift this game to a friend, and after that I want to show you how you can refund it. Okay, so the gift message is just optional. Let's press on continue to payment so we can pay and send this game really quick. All right, and now we can locate at the bottom we have a condition, the refunding policy, and this is exactly why I started this tutorial with this, because you can't refund a game or a DLC in these cases in case your friend played the game you gifted him for more than 2 hours, and as well if more than 14 days passed since you purchased the game, if more than 14 days passed since that moment, since you gifted him the game, then in this case you are not eligible for a refund anymore. All right, so you have to keep that in mind. If more than 14 days has passed, and as well if your friend played that game for more than 2 hours, then the refund is not eligible anymore. All right, so that being said, let's see now how can we refund the game that I just purchased and sent right now. And the game has been sent. You can see now that I have less money in my account and it says thank you for your purchase. Now the refunding process is very easy and straightforward. In the top right hand corner where you can see your name, just click here, and now we have to press on account details. All right, just let's select that. Now you'll find at the top view purchase history. Let's click right here on view purchase history, and you can locate at the top. Here is my transaction. Let's select that. This is the name of the title that I just gifted right now to a friend. I'll just click once on it, and you'll find down below I'd like a refund. Let's select that. Okay, I'd like to request a refund again. And now down below you'll have a list with some reasons. You can fill any reason you like, but you don't really have to give one. So I'll just leave my issue isn't listed and press right now on submit request. And my refund request has been submitted. We can locate right here. You have a pending refund request for this product. If you want, you can press on cancel if you want to cancel the refund request. So right now, in just a couple of hours, for some people it can take up to 24 hours or maybe even a couple of days, depending of the bank which you are on right now, because you receive the money in the account which you used to purchase the game. If you use the card, you'll receive the money into your card. If you paid with your Steam wallet, you'll receive your money into your Steam wallet. So the money will go back to the source from which they came from. So that being said, I hope this tutorial helped you out to know how to refund gifted games on Steam. Thanks for watching and bye bye.